Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a really good affiliate method that you can do with any affiliate products that you want. This is all 100% free and it can be done from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. But first of all, like I always like to do for those people that are new to my videos and or my channel, if you haven't yet subscribed, anytime during the video, just reach down below the video there, click that subscribe button, and click that little bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, and you can come and take immediate advantage of those when they're uploaded. Alrighty? Alright, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this. Like I said, guys, you can use any affiliate products that you want with this method. And in fact, it's recommended that the more you do, it's a volume thing, this method I'm going to show you today. So the more that you do, the more opportunity that you'll have to make money with this particular method. Alright? So I'm going to be using a CLICKBANK product myself. Now you can use Digistore 24 products, you can use Warrior Plus products, and you can also use JVZoo products as well, or any other affiliate products that you want to use. I'm going to use a CLICKBANK product. I've picked this Java Burn product right here. It's a coffee. So if I click on it, you can see that it is a way for people to lose weight by drinking a special type of coffee. They've got really good prices here, as you can see on it. This is a really good sales page right here. It's a video sales letter, has a little video here about it and stuff. And I really like this product myself, so this is the one I'm going to pick to show you how to do this method here today. You won't necessarily need to do the affiliate link down here on this particular product here. There may be some that you might want to use the affiliate products that they have to help you market it, because if they have like banner pictures or maybe even email swipes or something like that, you can use that as well. I'm going to be using the Java Burn product here, and what I'll do is I'll click right here and get my link on that. And you want to make sure that your account nickname is in the box here, and you can put a tracking ID optional if you want. I'm not going to do it for this one here. Then I'll just click here and it'll give us our link right here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take that link and we'll copy it, and then we will bring it over here to Tiny URL. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's Tiny URL. It's a link shortening site, but you can also use Bitly, and there are many other sites that you can use as well. But I'll use Tiny URL, and I'll paste my CLICKBANK link in there just like that, and then I'll click Make Tiny URL, and it sort of brings this out right here, and you can see that it's right there. I'm going to go ahead, now you can copy, you can also rename that link if you like, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is and copy it. And then we want to make sure that it does what we want it to do, right? So always test those shortened links out. And it does, it sort of brings over here to that, and it clicks and starts playing right away here. And then they can scroll down and read and see some more about it. So it's a little bit different, but it's a good video on here. It's different from what the one showed us, but I like this one right here anyway. It's a good video here, so I'll just keep that. Alright, so now the site that we're going to be using to market on is this site right here, guys. You can see it right here. It's called ClassTize. It's a classified site, and if you look right up here in the address bar, it's ClassTize, CLASSTIZE.com. And the nice thing about this site, guys, is you do not have to have an account, although you can create an account here, but you don't have to post a free ad. Alrighty, so all you want to do is click post a free ad, but I do want to show you guys this, because some people may say, well, classified ad sites don't work. Well, I think that it probably won't. If you're going to do just one or two products, you need to post a volume of products on a classified site so that you have more. In other words, you know how it is, the more fishing lines you throw into the lake, the more opportunity you're going to have to catch a fish, because you got more lines out there, right? It's the same way here. The more times the posts that you have on the site, the better the opportunity for you to make money. Now, as you can see right down here, look right here where my mouse is, guys. This is the last 3 days that people have come here to this site. That's almost 470,000 people have come and viewed listings on this site in the last 3 days. So I would think I would not be too amiss by saying that this site gets probably well over 1 million visitors per month. And that is a lot of people coming here to this site to look for different things and to purchase different things and so on and so forth. And you can see here that they have a lot of different categories. They got services, automobiles and vehicles, pets and care, community, events and entertainments, things for sale. That would be good for putting some things, affiliate products into there in that spot. And then they got jobs, electronics and technology, property and real estate, education, matrimonial, even in health and lifestyle. So that's going to be where I'm going to be posting at today. It'll probably go into there. All right, so, and services. So there's a lot of different categories, over 150 categories, that you can place affiliate links or offers, your affiliate offers, into these different categories. So like I said, the more you do it, the better. So what we're going to do is I'm going to post a link today and post my ad. So we'll click on post a free ad here, and you can see it comes over here, and it's asking us to select a country. It doesn't matter, we can just select the United States. Location, we'll call it Alabama, and select the city, let's say Birmingham, and then we can select a category, and then we're going to go with health and lifestyle here, and a subcategory of, I think we're going to go with herbal products right here, because coffee is sort of a plant, it's sort of an herb. All right, so we'll go with that, and it's a listing type. It's going to be offering, guys. You want to click on offering. You can see over here it's telling you right here. And then we want to add a title. So what I'm going to do is come back here. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'm going to fill this information out, and I'll come back and I'll show you guys how I did that. All right, I'll be right back. All righty, guys, as you can see right here, I filled all this in right here. Our title I put in Java Burn, said there's never been anything close to this attempted before. And where I got that at was right here. And as you can see, it's right here. There's never been anything even close to Java Burn ever attempted, and I just sort of changed it up a little bit right there and put that in as a title. And you can see that the information, or the listing information, I also got it from these two paragraphs right here, guys, and just took that right off of there and put that in there. And as you can see right here, I've also put our tiny URL, our link to our product, and I'm telling them here to copy it into their browser just in case it's not clickable, because there is one down here that probably will be clickable. And then I put a listing price in of $49. If I can find it right here, it's right here for one pouch of the coffee. It's $49 per pouch. And then they got other packages here too, but this is a little bit cheaper, so I'll put that in there. The contact number, address, and email, you can just leave those blank. And then website, again, you see right here, I put in our affiliate link, the tiny URL affiliate link here, guys. And then down here, I uploaded a picture. I simply took a picture right off of here, which one it was, this image right here. I took it and downloaded it and uploaded it right here. And you can put you can probably put more than one picture on these products if you want as well. I'm just going to use this one here. And you can also even add a YouTube video if you want. Maybe you've got like a little video or something of your product that you want to add. You can add that right in there as well. And then finally, down here, the final step, we want to click right here where it says accept the terms and conditions. And you see over here it's thanking me for accepting that. And then it's just a matter of clicking here, guys, where it says post for free. Okay. And it says right here, your listing will be manually reviewed by our team before it appears. And you can view it right here. Maybe we'll get a chance to let us view it here. Yeah, you can see it. Well, it looks pretty good. Yeah. Got the price right there. And it comes down and talks about it. It's got our link. Yeah, it's not clickable here, so it says copy it. But let's see. I'm sure the clickable one is going to be here somewhere. Might be the picture. I'm not real sure. But, or right there. Not real sure. Or the offering right here. Not real sure. But anyways, guys, that's how that works. Just do this as many times as you want. In fact, it's recommended to do a bunch of different products. And like I said, you can either use CLICKBANK, Digistore 24, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, any affiliate products that you want to use, you can post them on class ties here, and the more you do, the more opportunity you're going to have to make money with this particular affiliate method. Alrighty guys, well guys, that's the method I had for you today. It's pretty easy, should be able to be done from anywhere in the world. And the reason why I say that, if you click right here, you see it says global now, but you can see it's with all the countries of the world, guys. You should be able to do it from anywhere in the whole world. Alrighty guys, just put up a bunch of them there and you have more opportunity to make money with this particular method. Guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. It gave you some value. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell. Also, if you have any comments or anything about this video, well, just leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see the formula for high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to reach down there and below the video in the top of the description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and then click on that and come over and learn from a free video presentation of the high-ticket formula for high-ticket affiliate marketing, where you can make thousands in one day's possibility. Alrighty guys, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.